Today we're looking at no-hub couplings used for joining sections of cast iron soil pipe and the industry standard that governs their construction. No-hub couplings are a type of pipe connector widely used in commercial and residential construction, commonly found in wastewater and drainage systems. The total no-hub coupling assembly includes a neoprene gasket, responsible for creating a watertight seal, that's surrounded by a clamp and shield assembly made of stainless steel, which provides the structural integrity and uniform pressure for the entire connection. The industry categorizes stainless steel into 5 main types: ferritic, martensitic, duplex, precipitation hardening, and austenitic. No-hub couplings use austenitic stainless or 300 series because of its high chromium and nickel content, which offers superior corrosion resistance while retaining toughness and ductility. Within the 300 series, the most commonly specified types of stainless for no-hub couplings are types 301, 304, and 305. The ASTM C1540 standard governs heavy-duty no-hub couplings, citing 301 as the specified material for the clamp band due to its particular mechanical properties of balancing a specific tensile strength and an ability to distribute load without snapping. As for the worm gear screw, 305 or 304L is specified, L grade having a lower carbon content, with 305 stainless being the primary grade, but both able to resist deformation without cracking. The shield and the screw housing can be made from either 301 or 304 stainless, while the eyelets and rivets of the shield can use any 300 series stainless. If you have any questions or would like to know more details on no-hub couplings, contact Flow Reps by phone or email. Thanks for watching.